Hey guys, welcome back to Mike's World. Today we're going to take a look at the ultimate gardening tool. Do you have weeds? Do you need to garden? Things like that, and you need one of these. Pick one of these up off Amazon. This is a weed puller and a hoe for your garden, and it's got a very sharp end right there. Can cut through a lot of things, dig up some roots, things like that. The great thing is, check this out. You can use this if you're down on your hands and knees in your garden using this, or it comes with 3 additional sections. You can put this thing together, screws together pretty easily, and then you can have a very long garden tool. And I'm going to show you how it works right now. All right, so we're going to start with this weed right here. We have this right here. You can dig up under this first, or you just get up underneath here really hard with this, and we're going to dig this out by the root. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to hit this hard like this. And now you can see we pulled this root up completely, or pulled this weed up completely by the roots. It is that quick and that simple. So again, guys, we have another huge weed growing right here in the lawn. So we're just going to take our tool, we're going to dig up underneath and pull. This is a pretty big one. And that's all it takes. We've got the entire thing dug up by the root. No more. We can throw this away and go through your whole yard with this tool right here. And the end right here, this is forged steel, very strong, coated, perfect for working in the garden, digging up the weeds in your yard. All right, guys, I wanted to give you a quick and honest update on this thing. So after using this thing all day in the yard, digging up some massive weeds, because I do have a lot of weeds in my yard, I use this thing heavily. Let me just give you an overall observation. Number one, this solid steel head is fantastic, held up great, not going to bend, perfect for everything you need. Now, the handle, not so much. So kind of hard to tell, but you can tell kind of here it's bowed. So from pulling on some hard weeds, this thing has kind of bent a little bit, and that's just from a day's use. The other thing is, as you're digging in there and you're yanking, these sections want to come unscrewed and they keep coming loose. You have to keep tightening them. This is a very thin, shallow pole. It's not very good. The other thing, if you're yanking on the end, is when you're yanking hard, and of course it's not wanting to now, but this end will pop off when you're yanking. I had to keep putting it back on. So very kind of a very, very cheap design as far as the handle is concerned. It is nice that it's sectional, but honestly, what I would suggest, and what I'll probably do, is keep this head, take this off, go find me a solid steel handle, maybe off of an old shovel or something, and put this head onto a solid one-piece handle that I know is going to hold up, because over time I don't think this cheap handle is going to hold up. But again, this solid steel forged head is fantastic. So that's just an honest review after a full day's use. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Take care. We'll see you next time right here on Mike's World.